Hello all, we'll be discussing about the post-registration compliances of an NGO. Well, we all know that an NGO is a non-governmental organization which runs basically not for the profit of the organization but for the welfare of the public at large, and which also involves a lot of public money into it. The compliances are strictly followed and mandated by the government. For a trust, the compliances basically are very simple, which is the IT returns filing every year and also to maintain their books and accounts for future purposes. For a society, they have to register the member list every year and also the annual general meeting findings every year before the registrar of the firms by way of a form. And apart from that, they will also have to maintain their books and accounts and also file their income tax every year. And for a Section 8 company, though there are no specific compliances, it should follow the compliances as that of a private limited company, and they will have to file their books and accounts properly with the registrar of companies, and the income tax returns must be filed every year. Apart from these, there are some other compliances that NGO needs to follow. Like if they are running a business, they will have to they will have to register themselves under the GST, professional tax, shops and establishment license must be obtained. So all these are mandated when they fall under the ambit of these acts. Apart from this, when they expect any tax exemption, then they will have to register themselves under Section 12A of Income Tax Act and 80G of Income Tax Act for getting the tax exemption for both the NGO and the donor. And in case if there are any foreign funds involved, then they will have to register themselves under 35AC of the Income Tax Act and also get the FCRA registration possible. So while all these are there, it is very appropriate for the government to manage these, to lay laws to manage these NGOs, and it is also appropriate and transparent on the part of the NGO to follow these compliances to have a very clear and transparent mode of working. If you require any assistance in managing your NGO, please feel free to reach out to us at www.vakilsearch.com. Thank you.